How to blur the background in CapCut. So first you want to load your project and then import your media and put your video on the timeline. Now all you need to do is select your video, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl V to paste it, and layer it on top of the other or the original video to use it as an overlay. Now select your video, go to the Effects tab from the top, and then you want to search for blur, and you can press enter to search. Now you will need to pick one of these blur effects. Click on the plus icon next to it to add it. Now if you click on the blur effect on the timeline, you will be able to configure the blur strength or intensity from 0 to 100. And that's if you want to blur the entire screen or the entire background. Now if you want to blur specific parts or basically if you want to show a specific part and blur the background behind it, you want to select the second video that we overlaid or the blur effect first, and then you want to go to mask, click on add mask, and then move the rectangle. So for example, I want to blur the folders. I want to keep the folders visible and blur everything else. So I can go to the effect right here and then hit the invert button on the mask. And this will basically invert the blur effect so that it's displayed or blurring the background and revealing everything else behind it. Now if you play the video, you can see that the folders are visible and everything else is blurred. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.